Okay, so in this session we're just going to show you how to price a special colour window. So we've got to this main stage, the main menu, click on New Frame. If you're not sure how to get to that point, skip to some of the earlier videos. Select your window, again put your sizes in. So this time we're going to do a Residence 9 window. And we're going to have a look here. Let's pick an option that is a non-standard. So we're going to go with Sage External and Grained White Internal. So again, if the colour option is available within the material list, then the price on the screen is correct for the price of the window. However, we need to factor in that there's a minimum amount of material that needs to be ordered. And once this job is completed, that material is no longer required. So in effect, you're paying for the wastage, what we class as wastage. So to give you a complete price for that, our office need the profile requirements. So that basically tells us the material requirements on the job. So in this case, we need this report over here, profile stock requirements. So that shows us the amount of frame, sash, and all the other profiles. If you email that across to the office with a request for the surcharge, they will load that up in our system and reply back with the surcharge. And that, together with the price for the individual windows on the screen, is your total price. Thank you.